Hedy and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video we're gonna be working with, I don't want to say the name wrong. Is it Hedy? I'm gonna say Hedy hair. We're gonna be working with Hedy hair. This is my first time ever working with this company, ever hearing about with this company, and I can say honestly, I am impressed. I'm really impressed. All I had to do, first of all, first things first, I received a 13x4, 24-inch curly front, First things first, I received a 13x4, 24-inch curly frontal wig. It's given 13x6 the way how deep my part is, but y'all, this hair is everything. I went ahead and did the no baby hair look. You guys know I haven't done that in so long because I'm obsessed with baby hairs, but I'm like, do you guys see him trying to sneak out in the back? So yeah, you guys know I'm literally obsessed with baby hair, but I was like, let me do the no baby hair look because y'all, the hairline for this wig was given. Like, I barely had to do any type of plucking, but y'all, the rest was them. Like, it is really given. Like, this hairline is really given natural. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and do no baby hairs for the girls who don't be liking baby hairs. So this is it. This is how it looks, y'all. I believe this is like more so, I don't want to say kinky curly, but I feel like this is like deep, I don't know, deep. This is some type of curly wave because y'all, these curls is curling and the hair is like really thick, which I love. For this to be 24 inches and the hair is this thick, I love it. But y'all, so far so good. I barely had any type of tingling or any type of shedding. I only had shedding when I cut the lace and the air tabs off. But other than that, y'all, the hair is bomb. The hair is given. I love this hair. It's given real natural, y'all. This hair is given vacation. Like, if I ever go on a vacation, I'm gonna put this wig on. Like, I love this wig. This same exact wig be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On to the 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I see you guys in another video. Bye.